Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been buying naked calls on Nifty. He pays the full premium, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, sometimes even more. And what happens? Nifty moves up, just not fast enough, and theta eats him alive. Day after day, the option loses value, even when he is right about the direction. Today I'm going to show Rahul a weapon that solves exactly this problem. The bull call spread. Defined risk. Dramatically lower cost. Same directional exposure. Let's dive in. Rahul discovers the bull call spread. The problem with naked calls. Rahul bought the Nifty 22,000 call option. Premium paid was 150 rupees. Nifty was at 21,900. For Rahul to break even, Nifty needs to reach 22,150. That means Nifty must move 250 points just to break even. And this has to happen before expiry. Meanwhile, theta is burning 30 to 40 rupees per day. On day 3, even though Nifty moved 50 points up, Rahul is still losing money. This is the naked call trap. The solution is the bull call spread. Here is the idea. You still buy the lower strike call, but at the same time you also sell a higher strike call. The premium you collect from selling the higher call reduces your total cost. Dramatically, you are paying less upfront. Your maximum loss is only what you paid, and your maximum profit is capped at the difference between the strikes minus your net premium. Defined risk on both sides. Arjun draws on a napkin. Rahul's eyes go wide. Let's do the actual example. Nifty is at 21,900. Rahul wants to go bullish. Old strategy. Buy Nifty 22,000 call at 150 rupees. Total cost for one lot. 150 times 50 equals 7,500 rupees. New strategy. Buy Nifty 22,000 call at 150 rupees. Simultaneously sell Nifty 200 call at 90 rupees. Net premium paid equals 150 minus 90 equals 60 rupees. Total cost for one lot. 60 times 50 equals 3,000 rupees. Same directional bet. Less than half the cost. Let us calculate the break-even for the bull call spread. You bought the 22,000 strike. You paid a net premium of 60 rupees. So the break-even is 22,000 plus 60, which equals 22,060. Compare this to the naked call break-even of 22,150. The spread breaks even at 22,060. 90 rupees, less distance to travel. That is huge. A 90-point advantage just from structuring the trade differently. Here is how the P&L looks. Nifty below 22,000 at expiry. Both calls expire worthless. Maximum loss is 60 rupees per share, 3,000 rupees total for the lot. Nifty between 22,060 and 22,200. Partial profit zone. Profit grows as Nifty rises. Nifty at or above 22,200 at expiry. Maximum profit achieved. That is 22,200 minus 22,000 minus 60, which equals 140 rupees per share, or 7,000 rupees for the lot. Maximum loss is 3,000. Maximum profit is 7,000. Risk reward is 1 to 2.33. When you use a bull call spread, moderately bullish view, you expect Nifty to move up, but not explosively. If you expect a massive breakout by the naked call, the spread will cap your profit. Bull call spread is for controlled, steady upside moves. Best used when implied volatility is high because you are both buying and selling options. The 4 cancels out to a large degree. Also ideal when you have limited capital. 3,000 rupees versus 7,500. That is capital efficiency. The risk-reward numbers side by side. Naked call, cost 150 per share. Break-even at 22,150. Maximum loss unlimited in theory, but capped at premium paid, 7,500 per lot. Upside is unlimited. Bull call spread, costs 60 per share. Break-even at 22,060. Maximum loss, 3,000 per lot. Maximum profit, 7,000 per lot. You gave up unlimited upside. You got 60% lower cost, 90 points lower break-even, and a cleaner risk-reward ratio. For most retail traders, this trade is far more survivable. Rahul tries the bull call spread on the next expiry. Nifty moves up 180 points. Naked call would have given him a 5,000 rupee profit. Bull call spread gave him 5,200 rupees. Almost the same profit at less than half the cost. His capital efficiency just doubled. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.